Welcome. Hello, Richard. It's Mr. Diao Huafeng, right? Hello, Shenzhen Sunricher. Hi. Hello. Hi. I can hear you. Hello. Hi. I'm Jane.
This is Jerry.
Jerry.
Not Mr. Diao, because Mr. Diao now is busy with
Jerry. Okay.
other business, so
Yeah, sure.
he's not available now. So
Yeah.
I will show today with together with you. Yeah.
Thank you, Jerry. Welcome, Jerry. Welcome to participating in our factory tour in Lightstrade. And Jerry, would you like to introduce your company? And because I think it's the first time I met your company. I'm Jane, and by the way, and would you like to give us a brief introduction of your company and the products that you want to show today? Thank you.
Yes. I will show you the PowerPoint and introduce our company first. Sunricher is a very professional lighting control manufacturer and solution provider. We have over 15 years experience in this field, and we have been engaged in the smart lighting control field for over 15 years in the overseas markets, including Europe and US and Australia and Russia. We mainly engaged in the focused in the high-end lighting control systems such as DALI and DMX, KX, also the wireless Zigbee, Z-Wave, and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. We have a very strong R&D and manufacturing team. Also, all our components are imported from the world famous brand like Philips or Panasonic or very famous brands. So the quality is ensured. Our factory has been passed the TUV iOS 9001 and 2015 quality management system, and our products has gained around over 100 patents, and we provide over 5 years warranty for the products. And the most important is that we have passed the global high-end certifications like the UL and TUV ANIC and FCC ROS and CE. All high-end certifications we have passed as like this. And here is our our company's milestones. We are established in 2007, and now it's been already over 15 years. Our markets, just now I introduced, mainly in the Europe and North America and Australia and Russia, also Japan and Southeast Asia. Today, I think that's what I would like to introduce about our company. Yeah. Jay, can you hear me?
Yeah. Sorry, I just off my silence button. Yeah, I see that from your company profile. Yeah, it's you have founded in 2007. So it's
Yeah.
like 14 years, almost like a 15 years
Yeah,
milestone.
almost like
Yeah.
15 years.
So Sunricher Technology is quite good, have done some milestone, and from the introduction of your presentation, PPT
Would you
slides.
like me to show you again?
Yeah. Don't worry. I see that. Yeah, lighting company. Would you like to? We have some a detailed introduction of your company. Would you like to show us some products or your showroom or anything else you would like to show us in today's session or next time? Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, I think today I will mainly show you the products on the PowerPoint and not on the showroom, because we have many customers in our showroom and discuss about the cooperation. So I
Maybe
think
next time.
it's not too convenient to to show now. Yeah.
Well, that's
I
very
will
good.
show you via the PowerPoints. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I think today I want to show our the most important control system, DALI. I think you already know DALI, right?
Yeah, digital one.
Yeah, because DALI is our, how to say, the
heart.
very advantage. We have many advantages in DALI system. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Would you like to show us the advantage of the DALI?
Yes, sure. I will show you now.
Yeah. By the way, Jerry, your English is quite good.
Sorry, I think this is my first time.
Very good.
Yeah.
It's like I practiced many times.
Okay. Thank you.
The play, I think it's after the 上面演示工具.
Okay. Sure. Yeah. DALI is a digital adjustable lighting interface. It is a sorry.
Don't worry. It's just a few seconds of the lag. Now it's back to normal.
Okay. Now I can show.
Do we have a play one?
Well.
全屏.
Oh, sorry. I can't find where is it.
Where?
I think no problem. I can just yeah. DALI is a digital dimming system, and it is the device is also adjustable. Okay, sorry.
Or try F5.
Actually, I will introduce not so detailed. DALI, briefly, it is a digital dimming system, and it has DALI bus line, and all the devices are connected to the DALI bus, and there is a bus power to supply the control current, the signal to all the devices on the DALI line. And totally, a DALI system has 64 addresses and 16 groups, and also 16 scenes, which means you can control the 64 devices individually, or you can assign them to up to 16 groups and control them in the group. And DALI, has 16 things. You can assign up to 16 things to each DALI control gear. And DALI is, bi-directional communication system protocol. The DALI master controller can send commands to the devices. Also, the devices can, feedback the status to the DALI master controller, and so that we can monitor the device status and maybe diagnostic, and also to get the error and to repair.
Oh, Jerry, quick comments, because of due to the time limits, we have like 5 minutes to go.
Okay. So I will just introduce our featured DALI products.
Yeah, sure.
Our featured DALI products, the DALI dimmable drivers. It is DALI 2 certified, and you can use it for all the DALI systems around the world. It has very good compatibility, and the dimming performance is very good. And also we had DALI 2 wall switches. This wall switches is also can also be compatible with all universal DALI 2 systems. DALI 2, the master controllers. You can configure it freely using your DALI 2 master controller. For example, you can configure the button with the function of on, off, or brightness up or brightness down, like this. And also to trigger a DALI scene. And you can freely configure it, whatever the function you want. This is the key advantage of the DALI 2 wall switch.
Sure.
This is also our DALI 2 drivers. This is the dimmable driver, the DT6, just for dimming. And also we have, the DT8. DALI 2 DT8 version. This one is for, for the color control and the turnable white. This is a very, important features of DALI 2 now, because, human-centric lighting now is very important in the lighting control system. So the turnable white control for DALI now is very popular. So we have the DALI 2 certified turnable white drivers. And also you can see this one. This one is, 4-in-1 DALI 2 drivers. You can set it as turnable white or RGBW or XY or primary N. 4 kinds of DALI colors. You can use it just using the buttons to set the color type. It's okay. So it's a very good product. That's one product you can use it, which equals to 4 products, 4 devices. Just reducing your, stocking cost. And this is also our DALI DT8 turnable white drivers. This is a constant current version. Just now is the constant voltage version. We have drivers from 10 watts to 200 watts. with different kinds of, the appearance and the voltage. Yeah. This is the in-track DALI 2 DTA drivers for, the magnetic track heads.
Yep.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, this is our projects that's already finished in
in Holland, in Denmark,
yes.
and the UK, and European Union. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah. And also the hospital in Denmark and the metro in Spain. And I think
very
that's
good
all
introduction.
For our products. Yeah, for DALI products.
Wow. Thank you, Jerry. That's really good, wonderful introduction of the DALI and your creation or you have done in DT8 and several series of the DALI and application, and also you have done the projects overseas. You have shared a lot of contents today. Thank you.
Yeah, I think next time we can show you our showroom because this time,
that's great. I'm expecting.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Jerry. Thank you for your today's sharing, and see you next time. And so expecting. Yeah. See you. Bye. Bye.